Why does a boat swim on the water and why does it not sink? It is the famous Greek mathematician Archimedes who found the corresponding principle. By the way, Archimedes was not only famous for being a great mathematician, but he also invented very sophisticated engines of war that his home city used against the Roman besiegers. Have a look at this sketch here. The Archimedes principle says that the mass of the boat corresponds to the mass of the water displaced by the boat. So mb equals mw. Using the formula for the density, we get the volume of the water is mass of the water divided by the density of the water. And the density of water is just 1 kilogram per cubic decimeter or 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Try to solve on your own this example, which is about finding what part of an iceberg is actually visible, what part is above the water, and hence what part is below the water. Stop the film now. Due to the Archimedes principle, the mass of the iceberg corresponds to the mass of the water displaced, so Mi is Mw, and using the formula M equals rho times V for the density, we find this formula here. Note that Vi means the volume of the total iceberg, Vw means the volume of the iceberg that is submerged, because that's exactly the volume of the water displaced. We divide now by Vi and by rho W, and we change the sign, so we get this relation here. And note that Vw divided by Vi means what part of the total iceberg is submerged. And we see that the ratio of the submerged part to the total volume is 0.9 or 90%, so 10% are above the water, are visible.